in order to link a content item or one of the pages in your site to a menu so it can be viewable, you'll notice that as soon as you start creating content, if you're starting with a blank slate in Joomla and you're on your home page on the default installation, you're obviously going to have content in there if you install the default content in there. If you're starting with nothing, there'll be nothing on this page and there'll be nothing attached to the menus, and you'll only have your main menu there. So in order to attach a piece of content to the main menu, we need to go add that article to it. If we create a bunch of pages and we don't attach links to them or give folks a way to access those pages, then they won't be able to find them. So a page, there needs to be a link to the page somewhere. So in order to do that, we need to go up to main menu, menus, then down to main menu. We need to add an article to this menu. So let's go back to on the right hand side, click new, and we'll add a new page. And under the Joomla overview, we added a new page as a child item, and we should be able to see that after that page loads. You can see we've got now what's new in 1.5 and then the new page. So in order to do that, we went to menus and then main menu, and now we need to go to click articles because it's an article that we want to link to. And in this instance, you can see by using the tooltips the different kinds of links under articles that you can add. We can add an archived article list, which will display articles that have been archived and this are searchable by date. We can add this article layout link displays a single article. This one here displays a link that allows people to submit an article. If we put a link to a category, this will display an article category in a blog format, and we'll have some of the same. If you watch the how to create a blog or creating a blog video, it'll show you how to operate that if you go that route. And then this is going to simply give us a list of articles in a category. We want to add an actual page, so when someone clicks on our link in the menu, they'll go to a page of the site. So we've got the article layout on the right hand side. We simply hit select, and then choose the page that we want to link them to. We'll set them to the Joomla Facts page, so you can see it automatically puts it in there. There are additional parameters for this page here that we can do. We can overwrite all of those global parameters that we set inside the article manager, and we can overwrite them at the article level. So we can choose not to show the article, the author name on this one. We can choose not to show the created date and the modified date and the navigation. So again, you can overwrite all the global article parameters at the article level over here on the right. So let's go give it a new article name. We'll call it new article, and we will actually, let's make it again, we'll make it a child item of Joomla overview. If we left it at top, it's going to publish it at the top level, so it's just going to show up underneath news feeds here. If we make it a child item of Joomla overview, it's going to publish it under Joomla overview. So we'll just leave it at top actually for these purposes, and we'll simply hit save in the top right hand corner, and we'll come back to this page, and once we refresh, then we should have we'll have our new link beneath us here, right underneath news feeds. So that's how to add a link into one of your menus. You notice the new article here. So when we click that, it'll take us to that page. When you create pages inside Joomla, you have to create links to them from somewhere. So the easiest thing to do is to add them to menus, and that is how to do it using just go up to menus and then down to main menu, or choose whatever menu you want to add the link to, and go through that process. Thanks much.